Yes, please.
मुझे पूछना है
जी
कि आपने प्रॉब्लम तो बता दिया, इसका अगर सोल्यूशन, जैसे मैं रहता हूँ एयरपोर्ट के पास,
जी
वहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट के बाउंड्री को लग के बांग्लादेशी बस्ती है।
जी
अगर एज एन इंडिविजुअल मुझे अगर कंप्लेंट करना है
जी।
तो हमारे यहाँ पे सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि आवर एमएलए चीफ मिनिस्टर, सो एक्सेसिबिलिटी लिमिटेड है।
ओके
एमपी उनका खुद का घर भी अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है, तो पता नहीं कहाँ मिलना है।
जी सर।
और अगर कारपोरेटर को पूछूंगा
जी।
तो बोलेगा तू ही बता दे यार।
हाँ
तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में एज एन इंडिविजुअल
जी।
कैसे जाना चाहिए, पुलिस कंप्लेंट पहले या क्या,
ठीक है।
हाउ टू गो फॉर इट?
ओके जी बोलिए प्लीज। The public revelation is I'm hard on hearing in one ear, so kindly give him the mic.
Sir, who's running this poor show? Is it constitution, government, or court, or is it us?
What show did he say? Poor show is
Poor
it?
show. Like this, illegal immigrant and
Okay. Okay, ठीक है. See, in a democracy, I think at least the initiative or the responsibility for starting an action lies with the government. If the matter ultimately goes and gets stuck in the court, keep blaming the courts. At least then the government has an excuse to say, मैंने तो अपना काम कर दिया, ये अभी कोर्ट में अटका पड़ा है, मैं क्या करूँ? Let them at least do that. But if you don't initiate action, then it creates a semblance of a doubt, at least a modicum of doubt, saying, आपकी मंशा है या नहीं? Do you have any interest in acting on this issue or not? So, in that sense, I agree with the previous gentleman who mentioned that at least they're talking about this issue and at least they're making concrete strides in this particular front. I will not be a pessimist. I am a die-hard realist optimist. And to the extent that they've decided to talk about this issue is great. I am only saying that perhaps you should go beyond that and quickly start acting on it. Now coming to your question, sir. Last week, was it, that the report came that 2 Rohingyas approached the Supreme Court? Right, the Supreme Court agreed to hear the plea of 2 Rohingyas. An illegal migrant seems to have the confidence to approach a court of law to protect his rights. Why aren't individuals in the country lacking in confidence in approaching the court asking for deportation of illegal migrants? I would simply say, approach the court and impress upon the court the seriousness with which you have taken it by filing multiple petitions. And it should be across the country. Assume for a moment 100 different petitions land in the Bombay High Court, in the Madras High Court, in the Calcutta High Court, in the Jharkhand High Court, in Dehradun and other places. Are you telling me that this will not put enough pressure on the government as well as the courts, saying that the public is taking it seriously, therefore you might as well start getting your act together on this issue? Having said that, let me also say that the general perception, may or may not be true, is that some causes are more important and some causes are not that important when you go to court. Okay, that is also an impression. Maybe there is an element of truth to it. I don't know beyond that if I can say. But at the very least, you can tell the government that I am forced to go to court because you have chosen not to do anything about it and you have pushed me to the wall and therefore I am going to court. At the very least, that is the message that approaching the court of an individual conveys to the establishment, that I have had to knock the doors of the court because you have done nothing about this particular issue and all you've been doing about it is talking, or even not even talking. So, if there is, let's say, a proceeding that can be initiated under the Foreigners Act, either by the government or the establishment or let's say the police authorities, and they fail to do so, I categorically put my money where my mouth is to say that an individual has the right to approach the court in a writ petition asking for deportation. Try filing that particular petition. If it doesn't work, then we'll see, but this is something that you can certainly do. Because it's surprising that the other side has the confidence to approach the court for everything. And we don't seem to be doing that enough. Therefore, my central message has been, kindly do not assume that one particular organ of the state is the fiefdom of any particular ideology. ये किसी की जागीर नहीं है. It is the Supreme Court of India. Therefore, everybody has the right to approach the court for justice. The unfortunate part is, most of these petitions, when they are filed in courts, are filed without research. They have a lot of political arguments as opposed to legal arguments. They're poorly represented, as a consequence of which an individual's failure affects the cause. That could be equally with respect to denial of minority status for Hindus in certain states, despite the fact that they are a numerical minority. That's the answer. Yes.